Welcome to GTV. Today I would like to demonstrate how to do a basic startup and operation of an ABB ACS 355 AC drive using the advanced control pad. After verifying that the wiring is correct, I can apply power to the drive to begin programming. This particular drive has an advanced control pad mounted to the front opposed to the basic control pad. The advanced control pad has a 3-line LCD display and is divided into 3 main areas. The top displays the status line. This shows the mode of operation the keypad is in, such as local or remote, as well as the direction of the motor. The panel operation mode is also displayed, and in output mode, the reference value is displayed. The center shows parameter values, and in output mode, it indicates the speed of the motor in hertz, the current draw of motor in amps, and the amount of torque that the motor is producing in percentage of calculated full torque. The bottom line shows what the current functions of the 2 soft keys are and can also have a clock displayed if enabled. To begin programming, I will push the menu soft key on the right here to enter the main menu. The advanced key display lists the options in full text instead of listing a number, making navigation much easier. The keypad also features a help button to read description of the options to assist in the understanding of setup. There are 2 ways I can set up the drive when using this for the first time. The first way is to use the assisted startup by scrolling down to Assistance, and then I will push the soft key on the right for Enter. This will lead me to a sub-menu where I can select the Setup Assistant. This will guide me through to the motor parameters where I can plug in my motor nameplate data. The other way to do this is by going back to the main menu by pushing the Exit soft key. On the main menu, I will use the arrow keys to go up to parameters and then press the Enter key to see the parameter groups. All the subgroups are outlined here by number and title. I will go up once to group 99, the startup data. I will hit Enter and I should see the parameters listed on the screen. I can see the current value of the parameter selected. By going down once more to parameter 9902, I can see the application macro is set to ABB standard. Since I will not change anything, I will push the Cancel soft key. To enter the motor data, I will scroll down to 9905, which is the motor nominal voltage. The motor in this demonstration unit is approximately 230 volts. I'll scroll to this value by using the arrow keys and then push the Enter key to save. Next, I will arrow down to 9906 for the motor nominal current. This should be listed in amps on the nameplate. I will put in 0.8 for this motor, then hit Enter to save. Next, I'll go to parameter 9907 and I'll enter the motor nominal frequency, which is 60 Hz in this case. Next, I'll go to parameter 9908 and enter the motor's nominal speed. My motor lists this as min-1, but many motors will list this in RPM. The value on the nameplate is 1660. Next, I'll go to parameter 9909, where I will enter the motor nominal power. This will be 0.2 horsepower according to the nameplate. Some motors manufactured outside of the US will use kilowatts in place of horsepower on the motor. The values might be similar, but should not be taken as the same. At this point, I have completed the entry of my motor nameplate data. I can also change the acceleration and deceleration of the motor's start and stop by going back to the parameter groups and then to 22 for acceleration and deceleration. Within this group, I can scroll to 2202 to define acceleration time and 2203 to define deceleration time. The default value is 5 seconds, which could be adjusted from anywhere from 0.1 to 1800 seconds. Once I am finished with adjusting the parameters, I can push the Exit key a few times to get back to the output mode. I'll be sure to check that there are no faults or alarms shown on the display before I start the motor. Now I'll push the up arrow for my desired speed, which is displayed in the upper right corner, and then I will push the start button. The speed, current drawn, and the percentage of torque the motor is producing is displayed on the front. I can push the soft key on the left to change the direction of the motor. The drive will ramp the motor down to 0 speed and reverse the motor direction, and the motor will then ramp back up to the commanded speed. To stop the motor, I can push the stop key here. The ABB ACS 355 AC drive with an advanced keypad, along with thousands of other products and services, are available at galco.com.